Welcome to LinguaWire English B1. Today, we have two stories. One about the US stopping funding for HIV programs in South Africa, and another about Japanese football fans who clean stadiums but are facing criticism at home. Join us to practice your English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. To discuss the US decision on HIV funding in South Africa, I'm joined by Sarah, our LinguaWire correspondent on world health issues. Sarah, what exactly did the US government decide?
Hello, Daniel. The US government announced it will stop funding programs in South Africa that help fight HIV and AIDS. This is a major change because until now, the U.S. was providing about $400 million a year.
Why is the U.S. making this decision now? What reasons did they give?
The U.S. linked this decision to concerns about how South Africa treats its white minority Afrikaner community. The U.S. said, South Africa has not done enough to protect this group. However, the South African government denies these claims.
That sounds complicated. How did South Africa react to losing this funding?
South Africa's health ministry said they were not informed before the U.S. made this decision, but they also said they have been working on a plan to rely more on their own resources to fight HIV.
How serious is the HIV problem in South Africa?
It is very serious. More than 8 million people in South Africa live with HIV, which is the highest number in any country worldwide.
Have relations between the US and South Africa changed recently?
Yes. Since President Trump took office, relations have worsened. Trump also issued a statement accusing South Africa's policies of harming equal opportunities for landowners and causing violence. South Africa disagrees with this view.
What does this story tell us about international support for health programs?
It shows that political issues can affect important health aid. When countries have political disagreements, it can change the support they receive for serious health problems like HIV.
Thank you, Sarah. It's clear this decision could have a big impact on many people in South Africa. Now, I'm joined by Adam, our LinguaWire correspondent on culture and society, to talk about Japanese football fans who clean stadiums but face criticism at home. Adam, what is happening with these fans?
Hi, Daniel. Japanese football fans are well known for cleaning up after matches. Recently, photos showed them picking up trash in stadiums during the World Cup, and many people praise this behavior.
That sounds very responsible. So why are they being criticized?
Some people say there is a double standard. They point out that while these men clean in public, many do not help enough with housework at home. This idea became popular after a social media post showed a man cleaning in the stadium but relaxing at home, not helping with chores.
How did people react to this post?
The post was liked 60,000 times and many agreed. One comment said, "Everyone wants to save the world, but no one wants to help mom do the dishes." Others noted that some men might leave family duties to watch football.
Is cleaning in public important in Japanese culture?
Yes, very much. Cleanliness and cleaning up after yourself in public places is a strong value in Japan. But when it comes to housework, Japanese men spend very little time helping compared to women.
Do we have numbers to show this difference?
Yes, in 2021, data showed Japanese women spend more than 3 hours a day on unpaid work like house chores. Men spend only 47 minutes a day, which is one of the lowest times among developed countries.
What does this story say about gender roles in Japan today?
It shows that while public behavior is responsible, traditional gender roles at home remain strong. Many women still do most of the housework, even when men show care in public spaces.
Thank you, Adam. This is a good example of how public actions and private life can be very different. Let's review some useful words from today's stories. First, from the story about South Africa and HIV funding, here are 3 words related to politics and health support. The first word is funding. It means money given to support a project or program. In the story, the US stopped funding HIV programs. For example, the school needs more funding to buy books. The second word is community. This means a group of people living in the same place or sharing something important. The story mentioned the white minority Afrikaner community in South Africa. For example, the local community helped clean the park. The third word is rely. It means to depend on something or someone. South Africa said it will rely on its own resources to fight HIV. For example, I rely on my friends when I need help. Now, from the second story, let's look at the phrase pitch in. People said Japanese men should pitch in more at home. This means to help or join in with a task. You can use it when asking someone to help with work or chores. For example, can you pitch in and help clean the kitchen? Or, everyone needs to pitch in to finish the project. It's a friendly way to ask for help or teamwork. This phrase is useful when encouraging others to share work. It's often used in families, schools, or workplaces. Remember, pitch in is informal and positive. It shows cooperation and support. That's all for today's language recap. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.